Welcome once again to my channel. This is Efogo Joseph, your anchorman at the Free Genuine Airdrops. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a trust wallet, how to install a trust wallet to your mobile phone. If you don't know how to do it, if you don't have and you don't have a trust wallet and you are currently participating in some airdrops like crypto magnet, I will show you exactly what to do. But before we go ahead, just hit the subscribe button so that when I shoot new videos, you'll be notified. Okay, so let's move ahead now and start from the beginning of creating this account. So first we'll go to Play Store. We'll just click open and go to the search button here, the one here first, and then you come back to this place again and open it. So type in Trust Wallet. So open it and you can see here, make sure that what you have is the one with this particular logo, which is this one. And here it says open. This is because I've already installed it on my phone. Otherwise, you will be seeing something like install in this place. Okay. So you can see that this is a very trusted wallet with over 50 million downloads. So let's click on open because I already have it in my account. Otherwise, you should click on install and install it. After installing, it will give you this button to open. You just click on the open and we'll go to our account. Now, if you have not created one before, you will not have the same thing with what I have right now. Okay, you will not have this. You will be asked to create a wallet. But in this particular situation, I already have a wallet, but I just want to show you how to create a fresh one or to add one to what I already have. So I come to this place and click it open. Okay. All right. There are 4 wallets here. So what I do is to go to this place and hit the plus button and create a fresh one. So if you have just opened a new one like you did from the Play Store and you click open, you will now be redirected to this stage where they ask you to create a new wallet. So you click on that now, create a new wallet. And there are 2 options available. The first one is secret phrase and the second one is Swift Beta. So we are advised to use this, which is the recommended one. So we'll click on that, create. All right, you can see now that a wallet has been created. And yes, it is main wallet 3. So how do we change it to the particular name we want in case we need to customize it, in case we are using it for only a specific airdrop or anything? So we'll just come to these 3 dots and click it. Then come to this place. Come to this place and click it. Clean up what is there and write what I want to write. Okay, let's say this is crypto magnet. I already have crypto magnet, so I'm going to name it crypto magnet 2. Okay, and then we'll now click here, the plus button, okay. All right, it's done. So we can open it again, and then you have options to backup. First one says Google Drive, and the other one says manual. So we always advise to use the manual. Do not try to store it in your Google Drive. Don't try to store it as a screenshot. Don't try to store it as a notepad or anything. Just write it down in your jotter so that nobody can have access to hack it. So let's click on backup now. Okay. All right. So you are going to tick this to trust wallet does not have access to this key. That means that if anything happens to your key and it is lost forever. Trust Wallet will not be able to give you because they don't have access to your wallet. This is why you are your own personal banker. Number two says, don't save this in any digital format. Write it on paper or store securely. So we tick the two and we'll now click continue. So write down manually whatever you have been shown there. Okay. Just write them down before we move ahead. Okay, so we click on continue. After writing down the phrases. So number one word is blurred. Number four is submit. Number seven is tiger. And number 10 is squeeze. So confirm. Good. So our account is now active. So what do we do again? So we just go back, hit the back button. Okay. And then we try to open the wallet crypto magnet 2. Takes a little time because of network. Otherwise, everything's supposed to run smoothly. Okay, so we are working on crypto magnet 2. Don't forget. So once you open it, you will have the option. Okay, let's click the back button again. All right, it's here. Crypto magnet 2. So what you have here is to just take this option that says add manage crypto. Sorry, manage crypto. That is where you're going to be activating the crypto you need. So number one crypto we have here, which we might need later, is BTC. So you are going to click on that. It turns green, meaning that it has been activated. So other ones we need to add. Let's add Polygon, which is Pol. Okay, you can see it here. You can see Pol here. So you click on this area to activate it. Okay, so let's also add maybe BSC or anything, which is BNB. BSC. Sorry, BNB. Okay, you can see the BNB smart chain here, which is this one and this one. So we'll click here to activate it. And then finally, because we'll be needing, okay, we'll still need to add two more things. Let's add the USDT. The USDT has to be the Polygon own, the Polygon USDT. So where do we get it? I'm not going to waste much time. So we'll just click on this area that says network and put Polygon there. Sorry. Okay, you can see Polygon here already. You can see Polygon here. So we just click on Polygon, which is the network. All right, you can see that they are here now. So we pick this. So pick this. POS, Theta USDT. Okay, so we activate it. And then the final one is the DAI, DAI. DAI is the coin you'll be needing for the particular listing. Now you have clicked on DAI, and you also have the Polygon network showing here, and yet the DAI is not reflecting. What do? You click on this. Didn't see your crypto import. You click here, and you will need to remove this. You remove this Ethereum because you don't need Ethereum. It is Polygon that you need. So you are going to search for Polygon and put Polygon there. Okay. Now you will paste the address. But how do you get the address? Let's search for the address. Okay. Okay, here is the address. You manually search for it on Google and you will just get it. Okay. From the police count, and polygonscan.com, you'll see that we have stable network. Okay, so that is the Polygon scan. So you just scroll, and you see other info. The other info that you have here says token contract with 18 decimal. So you are going to click to copy. Then you go back to your wallet. Okay. So in this area, you paste it. You just paste it where you're supposed to paste it. Do you see what happened? Automatically, POS is showing DAI stable coin, DAI decimal 18 decimal places. So you now click import. You have DAI now in your account. That is it on how to create your wallet, your trust wallet, and activate the important coins you need to use, especially now that you are preparing for your crypto magnet. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to add some of these coins to your wallet in preparation for the listing of crypto magnet. So I'm going to show you everything you need, because remember that crypto magnet is going to be running on a smart contract, and sometimes you also need to prepare to get your subscription uh, for the contract that is coming, the programs. So see you in the next video. God bless you.